All right. Stop the noise. Be quiet. Hush.
Tappanize.
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 Okay, you gotta explain that one.
Stop equal tap.
Oh, tappanize.
Tappanize.
Stop the noise. Tappanize. Okay, I get it. Okay. All right. Dirty.
Dirty.
Dirty. Right, dirty.
Mm-hmm.
You dirty bastard.
Oh my God.
All right. Boobs or titties.
Titty. But it's titty if it's small.
What if it's big?
Big breast.
What if it hurt? Like, if you somebody with big boobs and they hurt. Oh, my big breasts hurt. How do you...
Big breast. I didn't have big breast, I have titty.
Titty don't mean big. That's crazy. Okay, well, I got titties. All right. Panties.
What do you think it is?
We say panties. But,
Panties is crazy.
let's see. In Jamaican, you'll probably say, like, boom, boom, hola.
Jesus Christ! No! Baggy.
Batiola. Wait, baggy?
Baggy. Baggy. Put on your baggy.
Put your drawers on. That's what they say
Or
here.
drawers. Drawers too.
Drawers. Put your baggy on. Or your drawers.
You can't see a baggy, through